Hey there everybody, ETPC here. We're doing a little unboxing slash review of the Hamilton Beach Chrome Toaster. I picked this up from Walmart for about 12 bucks I think. So let's open up this bad boy, see what we got. Well, it's definitely well packaged. Yes, I have heard of scissors before. What's the fun in that though? Alright, so there we go. And there we go. Okay, so instructions for a toaster, please. All right, and let's pull that out. That out. Okay, anything else? Nothing else in the box. Okay, so first impression, look at that. It is actually really shiny. There I am. Almost scared to get some fingerprints on this. Looks pretty good. I mean, it's a fairly inexpensive toaster, so comes with a little, well, the part down here. Some of them have them out front. Let's see. Where it'll actually a pull tray or something. That one's here on the bottom, so apparently you just pull it out right there. What's this here? It's a piece of tape. Okay. Got that piece of tape to hold the tray in, I guess. So remove that. Okay, and that allows you to dump it out, I guess, carefully. Okay, so it's, looks all right. We're going to check it out, see how it works, and then do a little bit more talking about it. So there's your toaster. Let's go make some toast. All right, here we go. We got an English muffin and a regular piece of kind of 12-grain bread. A little bit wider than your normal loaf, I guess you would say. So let's see if it fits in there. Oh, my goodness. It's a tight squeeze, so let's get the English muffin in there. We got it cranked up to 7, which is as high as it goes. Let's see how it does. Okay, so the other bread got a little stuck in there. Let's hit the cancel button. Push it down in there more a little bit, I guess. There we go. Went in there pretty good. I'm guessing if you have wider pieces of toast, it's not going to work too well for you unless you do half in and then the other half out. But as far as just being a regular toaster, let's see. What do you expect for like 12 bucks, right? But it definitely is shiny. Look at that, and it's beautiful. So, just kind of waiting here. And we're going on about 45 seconds. So far so good. Nothing's caught on fire. And actually, some toasters, they only have one side closes in, so actually the other one side is actually closer to the elements. This one actually looks like it's pretty evenly spaced on either side away from the heating elements, so that's pretty nifty. And the cancel button works well. We already tried that out. Okay, we're going on about 1.5 minutes now. Not sure what the average time of a toaster is. Someone could probably Google that though. Look how shiny it is. It is beautiful. Look at that. I wonder how easily it gets fingerprints. Should I? Darest I? I don't know. Look, you can't even tell like where it ends and where the counter begins because it's so shiny. Oh wow! It looks like it's fairly resistant to fingerprints too. Resistant. That's pretty cool. All right. So look. Just kind of waiting. We're going on about 2 minutes now. Any day now. Into the belly of the beast. Okay. Waiting patiently. So it's been about 2 minutes and 30 seconds now. Just waiting. Oh yeah, I can always see the bread's getting a little toasty there. And and yeah, the bread is turning into toast. I don't know how my can't see too well on how the English muffin is doing. Perhaps I should hit the cancel button, but I want to wait for this to pop up. So we're on 7, the highest setting, and actually it's gone kind of past the 7 if you can see. That's almost like an, oh no, you're right, okay. There's a little tab right there I didn't see, so that's on the 7. So a little arrow, I guess you would say. So I'm looking at my toast. It's looking pretty dark right now. I'm hoping that it pops up here. We're at about 3 minutes and 15 in, and it's turning into charcoal in there, maybe.
That's why you don't put bread in a muffin together.
But we're waiting. We're waiting patiently. That's why we don't put bread and muffin together, I was told. There we go. Alright, so that's, you know, toasty. Nicely evenly toasted, I guess I would say. Yeah, look at that. That ain't bad. Alright, let's see. Some you can lift up a little higher. Oh, that's kind of nice. So some toasters, it pops up, and you're gonna have to like burn your hand to like reach in there, pretty much. But this has a lot of play in there, so you can just pop it up and pull it out of there. Okay, so let's look at that. Yeah, that is actually well toasted as well. So I would have to say that this is well done. So I would give it, as far as a toaster goes, I mean, functionality and everything is, for the price, you can't really beat it, I would say. And just look at that shininess. It's quite amazing. So I give this a 4 out of 5 stars, I would guess. I don't know how. I guess the only critique I would have was if the bread slots were a little wider. A lot of breads you get, you know, like a sourdough, it's going to be, you know, 6 inches or 9 inches wider, so or long. So, but other than that, it's a nice little toaster. Didn't catch on fire. The bread is golden brown. And yeah, so thanks for watching this review on a Hamilton Beach toaster.